This is the Sharpshooter, helping you learn valuable skills to make better videos. In this video, we look at a common problem. You've got a small camera, you want to mount it to a tripod, so you go to put the quick release plate on the bottom, but as soon as you mount it, you realize you cannot open the battery or memory card door. So here's an example. This is the Canon SL1. For a short time, I was using this camera to record video. And so I take the tripod plate, and of course, I go ahead and thread it in there. And as soon as I would get it mounted, I realized I didn't have access to the battery or the memory card. Look familiar? Had the same problem with the Sony ZV-1. So there's a really simple solution, really inexpensive, and it'll take care of this headache, and you can then open your battery door with a tripod plate mounted. So this is it. This is called a cheese plate. Now these come in all different shapes and sizes, but essentially it's just a piece of metal with different screw threads throughout. And what it does is it allows you to mount different objects to your camera, to quick release plates, or anything with the standard 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch thread. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll actually attach this cheese plate to the bottom of the camera using a screw that should be included. And this will allow us to attach the quick release plate to a different hole that will give us access to the battery door of the camera. I'm going to mount the bar diagonally. So I'm going to go ahead and set the bar onto the bottom of the camera, place my screw into the threading on the bottom of the camera, and I'm going to go ahead and start tightening it down. So depending on the size of your camera and your quick release plate, you might have to get kind of creative with how you mount the cheese plate to the bottom of your camera. So once I've got that tightened in my camera, I'm going to go ahead and place the quick release plate into the cheese plate. And then what you want to do is you'll just want to make sure that the door opens. In this case, there's no problem. I could remove the battery, I could remove my memory card. The door is going to open and close just fine. And that's it. As you can see, the cheese plate is mounted to the bottom of the camera. The quick release plate is mounted below that. And I don't have to remove my quick release plate to access the battery or the memory card.